The Reserve Bank of India has launched a new microsite dedicated to Indian currency, aiming to educate the public about banknotes in a fun, interactive way. Check it out at indiacurrency.rbi.org.in for reliable info on RBI-issued banknotes. In a bold move, India's central bank plans to let lenders remotely lock mobile phones bought on credit if borrowers default. This could raise concerns about consumer rights while tackling bad assets. The Indian government is considering a tax exemption of up to 20 years for data center developers under the draft National Data Center Policy, provided they meet benchmarks in capacity, power efficiency, and job creation. So far in 2025, India has welcomed 11 new unicorns, bringing the total to 73. In Bengaluru, littering can cost 500 rupees for the first offense and 2,000 rupees for repeat offenders. Report littering via WhatsApp at +91 9448197197. India-born individuals are the second largest taxpayers in Australia. Smartphone exports have surpassed 1 rupee trillion in just 5 months of FY26, with Apple contributing around 75,000 rupees crores. PhonePe's Indus Appstore, a local alternative to Google Play and Apple's Appstore, has been installed on 10 crore devices,